Hi everyone. We have learnt article a and an in the previous classes. And today I am going to teach you two adjectives that are connected with a and an. The adjectives are little and few. Actually, all of you know these two words very well, but sometimes we commit so many mistakes in using that, and so I'm going to talk about them a lot. And actually, little is an adjective. So, it is used before uncountable nouns. Actually, I talked about uncountable nouns in my previous class. So, little is used before uncountable nouns. So, for example, how do we use it? A little salt, a little amount. Like this, we use. Okay? What I would like to tell you here, little, few అనేటివి రెండు అడ్జెక్టివ్లు. ఇందులో little అనే దాన్ని uncountable nouns కి ముందు యూస్ చేస్తాం. So, few, of course, this too is an adjective. It is used before plural nouns. దీన్ని plural nouns కి ముందు వాడతాం. For example, few people. Okay, I introduced the words little and few for you. And now, let us use how these two are used extensively in spoken and written English. Okay, so little and few, these two are used as pronouns also. These two are used as pronouns also. When they are used as pronouns, we can use them alone or with the preposition of. Little, few రెండింటిని మనం ప్రొనౌన్స్గా కూడా వాడచ్చు, కేవలం ప్రొనౌన్స్గానే వాడచ్చు, కానీ వీటిని ఇండివిజువల్గా వాడచ్చు, లేదు ఆఫ్ అనే దాంతోని వాడచ్చు. So for example, someone served you a cup of coffee. They asked you sugar, then we say that a little please. And here what are we doing? A little please we used. And next, only a few of these are good. So what did I do here? Only a few of these pens are good. So we saw so many pens. Among them, only a few are good. Then we use like this. So here I'm going to teach you a constructive sentence of only a few of these are good. Okay, and now let us talk about the words a little, a few. Try to understand what I'm going to talk about. A little, a few. Actually here, a little talks about a number. It talks about a number that is a small amount. So it speaks about a small amount what actually the speaker intend to use. So for example, I have a little money. That means I have a little money that may not be useful to me. So what I intended to say, little actually means nothing. When I say a little, it means a small amount. When I say I have quite a few books. Try to understand. I use the word I have quite a few books. So when I say like this, what I mean is quite a few books means I have a lot of. What I said? A little means a small amount. A few means something very less in number. But here when I use the adjective quite before a few or a little, it means a lot of. Do you understand? When I use quite before a few, or when I use a quite before a little, it means a lot of. So for example, how will we use this? I have quite a little amount. That means I have a lot of money. Whereas when I say I have a little amount, that means I have very little amount, which is not useful at all. When I say I have little amount, that means I have no money at all. Okay, so do you understand the difference? So actually, I'm using 3 sentences here. Try to understand this. మొదట ఏం చెప్పానంటే a little అనేది ఒక స్మాల్ అమౌంట్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. స్పీకర్ దేన్నైతే ఇంటెంట్ చేసి a little అంటున్నాడో దాన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. వెరస్ a few అనేది ఒక స్మాల్ నెంబర్ని యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. బట్ నేను క్వైట్ అనేటటువంటి అడ్జెక్టివ్ని కనుక a littleకి ముందు కానీ a few అనే పదానికి ముందు కానీ వాడితే ఇది ఒక లార్జ్ నెంబర్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుంది. So, in a nutshell, I'm going to tell you one thing, that is little and few ante nothing. That means scarcity. ఏం లేదు అని చెప్పడానికి మనం little and few ని వాడతాము. So, actually, when I say I have little amount, I have no amount at all. When I say I have few friends, that means I have no friends at all. But actually, these two are not used like this in spoken English. These two are used in written English only, not in spoken English, because the speaker sometimes may get confused whether the speaker is using a little or little. At the same time, the listener too will be confused whether the speaker said a little or little. Do you understand? Speaker ఏ లిటిల్ అన్నాడా లిటిల్ అన్నాడా అనేది లిసనర్కి అర్థం కాదు, స్పీకర్ కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాడు మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు. కాబట్టి లిటిల్ ఫ్యూ అనే పదాలని నెగటివ్ సెన్స్లో రిటర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం కానీ స్పోకన్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో వాడము. దీస్ టూ ఆర్ స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ రిటర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్. బట్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ అండ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ రిమెంబర్ వెరీ వెల్, బట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ వి సే ఎ కేస్ సర్టన్లీ దెర్ విల్ బి సమ్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ టు ఇట్. Certainly there will be some exception to it. So I said that a little, a few means quite a little number. What the speaker intended to say. Speaker ఏం చెప్పాలా అనుకుంటున్నాడో తక్కువ అన్న సెన్స్లో వాడాలా అనుకున్నప్పుడు a little ని a few ని వాడతారు. అదే మాదిరి little and few, that means without a యూజ్ చేస్తే అది ఏంటి నెగటివ్, స్కార్సిటీ, ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్, నథింగ్ అనే దాన్ని తెలియజేస్తుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం క్వైట్ అనే దాన్ని ఏ లిటిల్ ఎఫ్యూకి ముందు యూజ్ చేస్తే అది లాట్ ఆఫ్ అనే దాన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. సో దీస్ టూ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఎక్స్టెన్సివ్లీ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ రిటర్న్ అండ్ స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. అండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ వెన్ యూ వాంట్ టు సే సంథింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, వెన్ యూ వాంట్ టు సే ఎ గుడ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్, little always serves for you. Of course, all of you know that when we have to say somebody is a little man, we say that. Little man, little chop is an adjective that shows a very extensive use in spoken English. Okay, now let's move on to the next rule. I told you that little and few are not used in spoken English. What did I say? Little and few అనే వాటిని స్పోకన్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో వాడము, రిటర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే వాడతాము. అయితే కొన్నిసార్లు వాడతాం. ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు అంటే వెరీ, వెరీ, సో, and then extremely and comparatively, relatively. Especially when they are used in comparative study, we use these kind of adjectives: very, so, extremely, comparatively, relatively. When these are used, we use little and few in spoken English also. We use little and few in spoken English when we are using these adjectives. So, I am unwilling to try a drug I know so little about it. So now we know this. I'm unwilling to try a drug. I know so little about it. That means I don't know anything about the drug. Drug means here a medicine. I don't know anything about the medicine. So how can I use it? I can't use it. So I say so little. So little means I don't know anything about it, and so that I cannot use the drug. In the same way, they have too many technicians, but we have too few. So when I say they have too many technicians, వాళ్ళ దగ్గర చాలా మంది టెక్నీషియన్స్ ఉన్నారు, but we have too few. That means we don't have anybody. We don't have anybody. In this way, we use very, so, extremely, comparatively, relatively. When we use these kind of adjectives, we use them in spoken English also. Actually, I explained a lot about little and few. At last, I am going to say the uses of little and few. Little ni few ni మనం ఎక్కడెక్కడ వాడచ్చు అనే దానికి మెయిన్ వచ్చి విత్ వర్బ్స్. వర్బ్స్తో పాటు వాడతాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇట్ రైన్డ్ a little during night. So what I mean? Night it rained very little. So takkuva vaana padindi ratri. Then I say this, it rained a little during night. So in the same way, with unfavorable adjectives. With unfavorable adjectives and adverbs. So there are some adverbs and adjectives which are unfavorable for us. So for example, we are very, very anxious about the world nowadays, no? So when the anxiety is not very much, we say a little anxious. Is it a favorable word? No, it's an unfavorable word. So we say a little anxious, or we say a little unwilling. That means I'm not interested to go out. Then I say that I'm little unwilling. When I'm only a bit interested to go out, I say that I'm a little unwilling. Okay, a little impatient. What did I do here? Try to understand. Little ni few ni ekkada vaadtamante verbs tho paati oka unfavorable adjective leda adverb tho paati vaadtamu. So this is about little and few. Only one tip I just would like to know. Let all of you learn how will we use this. Little known and the other one little used. So when I say little known, that means I don't know. When I say little used, I don't use. But when I say a little known, a little used, these two are very important adjectives that we use in our spoken English. So for example, a little known painter. This term actually very much used in our spoken English. A little used path. Path means the way in which we walk. So a little used path. I think all of you have come across the poem, The Road Not Taken. So this term can be used there, a little used path. So I think all of you understand what is little and few. Thank you very much for watching.